Alright guys, hearty and healthy, let's get started. And my super moms are dropping by. Paola Henderson is here, our health coach, and she's a super mom. She gets her kids to eat all the veggies that there are. She has a full range of veggies: cauliflower, broccoli, carrots, and that's christophene?
No, actually this is the stem of the broccoli because a lot of people throw it away.
I do. I cut it off and throw it away.
All you need to do is just cut the ends of it that are the harder parts, and then this is delicious. This is nutritious, actually.
It's nutritious.
Yes, it's as nutritious
as delicious
as the broccoli itself, the floret, you know. So never waste it.
Waste not, want not.
Not waste.
Yeah. Okay. So I mean, okay. So what are we doing, Paola? This is a quick,
so
easy snack?
like a lot of moms, I have struggled to get my kids to eat their veggies.
Right.
You know, I've tried it in different ways, and this is something that it's always been successful, right? And it's baked veggie fries.
Okay.
So what I used, you do just a batter with an egg wash. Instead of flour, of course, I have put almond flour mixed with a little parmesan. Right?
Oh, so that's not regular flour, it's almond flour.
Almond flour. I mean, of course, you could do whatever batter you want to do to start, and then slowly get it to be a little healthier, like I did here.
Right.
And it's really a simple step, and to get them to eat their veggies.
Right.
I'll just show you how it's done. So you're gonna just put
in an egg wash.
In an egg wash. You can season the egg wash as well.
Right.
And then.
Yeah, I think you need to season the egg wash because these are just plain vegetables.
Yeah, you can see, or you can season the flour, either one.
Yeah, right.
Right?
Right.
And just toss it.
Toss it, yeah.
And it comes out really nice and cheesy because of the parmesan in there.
Right.
And then you just put it in a baking tray and into the oven until it's golden brown.
I'm going to ask a hard question. Don't buff me. Can you fry them?
You can fry them. If you want, you can fry them. And lightly, like coconut oil would be nice, or maybe a little olive oil mixed with a little bit of vegetable oil, because the olive oil, can't be heated too much.
The temperature, yes.
You can, but this way I don't have to stand over the stove and frying each one. I just like to put everything in a baking tray, and then it's ready, like this. And we just serve it with, you can do any kind of dip that your kids would like. I just did a little honey mustard kind of vinaigrette, so it goes nicely with the veggies. So the dressing really could be a variety of things, and you can do this with any vegetable, that has a consistency like these.
Nice.
Nice. And that's it. Would you like to try?
I will. So this is a carrot.
And it gives it that nice crunch, and you're getting that parmesan kind of feel, and the kids love it. They really don't look at this and say, oh, I don't want that. But this is more something that they would more appealing to them.
The truth is, I didn't even recognize I ate a carrot there. Yeah. So I could understand how the kids couldn't just dip in there. It didn't taste like I'm eating a carrot here.
Yeah.
So
good. This is really nice to serve as an appetizer, before their meal or as a little snack.
Paola, thank you very much. This is really good. So easy. Nice, quick snack, guys. Hearty and healthy is the theme. We're coming back with much more rolling out recipes right here at Home Sweet.